1966 Ford Mustang convertible, and it checks all the boxes. Beautiful Emberglow Metallic paint that you don't see that often, with the nice Palomino deluxe pony interior, and it's loaded up. V8 automatic, air conditioned, power steering, power brakes, power top, console, deluxe wheel, remote mirror, luggage rack, GT wheels, redline tires, and I'm sure there's more. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can take your time, read all about it, check out the options and codes, and that's where you'll find a price tag on all of our 200 classic cars for sale, along with a monthly finance payment as well. But for right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new cars are posted. So the body looks great. What I'm looking at here is beautiful. Nice, straight, shiny, fits real nice. The Emberglow paint is just smooth and glossy. Clear coat finish looks wet. Looking down the side, same thing. I don't see a ripple, a dent. All of this is beautiful. That gap is spot on. It's flush. There's no bubbles down here, no rust. All that's nice and clean. Opens easy, closes easy. All nice, clean, right around the wheel well lip, even under the bottom, all nice metal, all fits really nice. The end caps line up real good. Excellent condition. The paint's beautiful as well. You're going to find, here's a speck. Here's a little speck. That might even come off. I think it will. So you'll find minute, minor imperfections if you study it with a magnifying glass. Hairline little scratch. So windshield looks like it's original in very good shape. It has the little speckling on it. Stainless trim is all very good. This is the deluxe remote mirror. Emblem is sparkling. The 289 V8 emblem's new there. The Ford emblems are new. Up front, the bumper, the running horse, all that is sparkling like new. The grille looks great. Has the correct antenna. It's a white convertible top. There's pictures on our website. The framework is all nice and black. The weather strips are all real nice, so that's in great shape. Power top. And check out these chrome GT wheels. That makes the car pop. They are just sparkling chrome. Tires are new. Actually, this picture here, it has white letter tires on it. So they've just added the dual stripe reproduction tires. I don't know what brand they are. I think they're Goodyear. Yeah, they're Goodyear tires. Has the red caps in the middle too. Luggage rack on the back. Just adds some more sparkle. And everything here, the tail lights, gas cap, bumper, all that's sparkling as well. So let me give you a tour of the inside and the motor compartment. Now, I doubt you're going to put luggage on the luggage rack, but it's a nice option, sparkles, and that's what they had back in the day. Look how nice this is all painted. This is restored properly. The jam underneath here, the weather strip is replaced. The latch looks new. Whole compartment's painted. It's clean, has the plaid mat. I'm going to show you it's got retractable seat belts for the rear passengers. When we get inside, we'll talk more about it. Here's a reproduction white stripe tire, so has the nubs on it, never been used, painted rim, jack assembly, nice, tidy, complete, proper. That's how a trunk should look. Do go to volocars.com and read all about the cars. Each car is serviced, and we even put in the description what we did to it when we serviced the car. The door jambs are nice, weather strips were replaced. It's the pony interior, so it has the molded deluxe door panels, the light built into the door, and that's a knife handle, that door handle right there, they call that a knife handle. And you can see the little joystick for the remote mirror. All nice, clean. Here's the power top switch. Here's the air conditioning vents that were neatly added. The knobs, the bezels, the gauges, all nice and clean and tidy. The dash pad looks like it was replaced. It's a retro stereo and actually has some remote controls over here next to the console. I'm not sure how that works, but got something going on there. Here's our checklist when we service the car. Emergency flashers, that was an option back then that this car has. Light works in there, light works under here. Underwear, light works in your underwear. All nice carpet, embroidered mats, nice center console, a hidden compartment. Light works in there too. All nice and sparkly. I can feel nice cushions in the seats. So the deluxe interior, nicknamed the pony interior, because it has ponies here on the seat. It's very nostalgic. You kind of got to have that if you have a Mustang. Retractable seat belts were added for the front passengers and the rear passengers like we talked about. Here's the running horses. A little bit of staining on these armrests, and actually it's torn right here. The rest of it looks to be in great shape. Look, here's another light that's working. Nice deluxe steering wheel here, nice and sharp looking. The day and night mirror, that's another option. Nice visors. So overall in very good shape. Is there a little wear or tear? Absolutely, but I mean it's minimal. It's very nice. Seats are comfortable. They're nice and firm. Everything you want right here. It's a 289 V8 motor. I don't know if it's a 2 or 4 barrel. We're going to find out real quick here. That is a 2-barrel carburetor. Easy on the fuel, and it'll cruise just fine. 289 V8 looks all stock. All the manifolds, valve covers. All nice, clean, black metal. Especially up on top here. This is always patched up and rusted. This is all nice and clean. Shock towers. Battery looks good. Alternator looks good. Upgraded with a new aluminum radiator and a big electric fan. I'm going to bet they did that the same time they added the air conditioning to keep the motor running cool so you can actually use the air on the hot days when you need it. It has horns. It has the washer fluid bag. And importantly enough, it has power steering and power brakes, 2 very desirable options. And just like the other side, look how clean this metal is. This is nice. You always see patches and rust, but that's clean. All right, let's, well, under here, look how nice that's painted. Now let's check out the underside. Underneath this car is really solid. That's what impressed me the most under the car. The frame rails, the torque boxes, the inner rockers, the floors, really clean metal. It looks original to me. If they did replace any of it, they did a great job. So all rock solid, clean, painted black metal. Front end looks like it's all been rebuilt. The power steering, all the suspension components, new shocks in the back. It's drum brakes all around. They've been serviced. They're working great. E-brake assembly is all hooked up. It's a nice custom exhaust system, has mufflers and resonators. Nice turn down tailpipes. It's all tucked up under the car so you don't see it hanging down. A new fuel sending unit. You look up at the motor, it's clean Ford blue. The fuel pump looks new. The C4 automatic transmission is clean as a whistle. Just a really nice underside. I can see the factory spot weld dimples around here. That's really nice to see. I'm getting the impression this was a rust-free, clean car, probably from a southern state. I bought it in North Carolina. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your garage and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.